Welcome to the comprehensive guide on how to copy traders on Etoro, a leading social trading platform. This tutorial will walk you through the process of copying top-performing traders, allowing you to potentially replicate their success and grow your investment portfolio. First, you need to create an account on Etoro and deposit funds into it. Once you have an account, navigate to the Discover People section, where you can search and filter top-performing traders based on their performance, risk score, and other criteria. To find the best traders to copy, look for those with a high return on investment, a low risk score, and a long track record of consistent performance. You can also read reviews and comments from other users who have copied them to get an idea of their trading style and strategy. Once you have identified a trader you want to copy, click on their profile and then click the Copy button. You will be asked to allocate a portion of your funds to the copy trader, which will be used to replicate the trader's positions in your account. It is essential to set a stop loss to limit your potential losses if the trader's performance declines. You can also set a take profit to lock in your gains if the trader's performance exceeds your expectations. To maximize your returns, it is crucial to diversify your portfolio by copying multiple traders with different trading styles and strategies. This will help you spread risk and increase your potential for long-term growth. Regularly monitor the performance of the traders you are copying and adjust your portfolio as needed. If a trader's performance declines, you can stop copying them and allocate your funds to other traders. In conclusion, copying traders on Etoro can be a great way to potentially grow your investment portfolio. But it is essential to do your research, set clear goals, and manage your risk. By following these steps and best practices, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your investment objectives.